Hello guys, last time we have seen how we can use AI to build a website, and that's really important. In the similar ways, we have covered many topics pertaining to WordPress, and now today I'm going to tell you one important thing which is very basic but yet very important, that how to install a WordPress theme. Because still I have seen and I've been asked to make a video on this topic, so I'll tell you how you can do that. It's very easy, but you need to follow the certain steps for that. So let's start. This is the website, right? And it has by default the 2020 theme installed in this WordPress 2024 actually, right? So it has nothing, no plugin hardly. I think no plugin are not activated. Limit login, this is just to check the limit login when somebody logs in more than 3 times, so it just blocks, right? But anyways, let's start with the theme options. So what we need to do for that, on the left hand side, I suppose you are logged in with your dashboard, and on the left hand side you will see many options are there. But first you will see appearance. You need to click on this and you will find add new theme, right? So once you click on add new theme, you will see many options are there, right? So many options are there. Hello Elementor, Astra 2020 and all these things. I have personally used many of them, but right now we will start with Astra. This is one of the most beautiful themes, and it has many customization option. Customization is really beautiful, right? So let's start with this thing. I have just click on install. You can click detail preview as well, but I have already done that. So let's activate it now. It is activated, right? Now it will give you the option. This will be the same option for you as well. You can start with the starter template, or I want to build with from the scratch, right? So let's choose the template. Generally we choose the template, right? So we will choose the template this time. It's activating now. Many pre-built templates are there. Last time we have chosen this option, but this time we are going with the classic starter templates. Build with template, right? So it gives us lot of options. So here it is one important thing you need to notice, that editors are options. So Astra also gives you the different options for that. So you can use the block editor, right corner of the screen, top right corner. You can use block editor, Elementor. You can use this Beaver builder or AI builder, right? So let's just start with the basic thing. I use the Elementor. It will show only the templates that are built in Elementor, right? So it's loading. It's taking unusual time this time, but generally it hardly takes a couple of seconds, 5-6 seconds maximum, and depending on your internet connection speed. So we have these options, right? These are the free options. Most of them are free. Some could be the paid one also, but okay. So let's start with any of them. You can I'll choose this simple e-commerce brand store name. Here color palettes and all these things you can change. For example, this one, and the font size and everything you can. I have just select this one. So Lexant and DM Sans, right? So continue, we can do that. We have options, select the features, donation and all these things you can go through. If you like all these things you can integrate, but I'll just continue with it. These things are not mandatory. The last there was a form. It's not required, it's not compulsory, so you can skip that. So it's installing, and in a few seconds it will install everything. It's installing plugins, forms, pages, and everything the theme will have in it, right? It has e-commerce platform, so it will have the plugin WooCommerce as well. It's installing cart flows and many things you can see on the screen. And later, if you do not wish to keep any specific plugin, you can just remove that too. So it will be ready in few seconds. 51% is already done, and it is about to be completed. 90% is already done. And I would request you, please just do follow exactly the same way we did, and it will be fine. See, view your website. I'll just check that, and now it's installed, successfully installed. We will check that if everything is fine. Yes, footer is okay, everything works. Here is a menu, everything. So see, we can check that if the functionalities are working or not, like this, right? And add to cart, it's adding, right? So it's showing everything. I mean, functionality you can check. It's specifically in this case, this is it has the option for adding into the cart, so that's why I'm just checking all these things. Let's check the about also. You can check everything, right? So I won't check each and everything, but categories, it's working pretty good, right? So this is how you can install any theme. Generally a sequence might be different with a different theme, so I'm specifically talking about the Astra theme this time, right? So if you have any specific problem, any issue with any specific thing, you can below you can comment it about that. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.